Here's a very quick overview of the Turntable Animator. The Turntable Animator is a PowerPoint add-in. It creates beautiful turnaround animations of your PowerPoint 3D illustrations. Without the Morph transition feature, PowerPoint 2013 and 2016 users cannot create advanced animation effects for their 3D illustrations. One solution is to use the stop-motion animation technique, which creates poor results and requires tremendous amount of effort. With Morph, we can create half-turn poses to create a turnaround effect. This may be acceptable for many applications. However, the half-turns introduce pauses, and ease in and ease out effects that may not look good in some cases. You may be looking to create smooth and seamless looping turntable animations. In fact, Morph fails when the 3D model is turned sideways. It creates funny-looking flips as the model is animated across the 360-degree rotation boundary. The Turntable Animator handles this case very well. We'll use this awesome interactive PowerPoint slideshow to have a closer look at the Turntable Animator. This quick guide includes an overview, a gallery showing example turntable animations, and a quick introduction to the user interface. Here's the basic workflow of how to use the tool. To use the Turntable Animator, first select your 3D illustration. Running the Turntable Animator creates a sequence of PNG output files. These files are created in your computer's temp folder. Use the PNG image sequence files with any GIF or MP4 conversion software to create animated GIFs and videos. In addition, you can also choose to have the PNG image sequence inserted into PowerPoint and animated. You can then export this animation as animated GIFs or MP4 videos. The Turntable Animator is included with our online course The Beginner's Guide to Creating PowerPoint 3D Models. Those who do not need the video lessons, detailed projects, and reference 3D model files can get the Advanced PowerPoint 3D Creation Add-ins pack. You can also download and use the free Turntable Animator Lite version. The links to these products are included in the description section of this video. Let's look at a few example animations created using the Turntable Animator add-in. The hourglass model, rotated in the negative Y direction. The armored vehicle, rotated in the positive X direction. The smartphone model, rotated in the negative X direction. The fighter jet model, rotated in the negative Y direction. The planet system model, rotated in the positive Y direction. The Pokeball model, rotated in the positive X direction. Turning on all rotation directions creates complex and random-looking animations. In future videos, we'll explain in more details the difference between how vertically and horizontally built models work with the Turntable Animator. Now we'll introduce you to the Turntable Animator's user interface. The title bar includes the name of the selected object. The duration setting determines the speed of the full rotation. The X, Y, and Z rotation switches enable or disable the respective rotation directions. When the X, Y, and Z rotation is enabled, the direction of the rotation can be set to positive or negative. Check this option if you want to have the animation created in a slide in the current presentation. The output is always written into the output folder in your temp folder. The PNG output files are cleared on each run of the Turntable Animator. If you need to keep the files, be sure to save your own copy before running the tool again. Check this option if you want to only capture the animation of the 3D model without also including the background. This is very useful for creating amazing animated objects with transparent background for making animated GIFs and reusing them in any scene that you can imagine. This option is not available in the free Turntable Animator Lite product. Here are several important rotation demonstrations. Positive X rotation, negative X rotation, positive Y rotation, negative Y rotation, positive Z rotation, negative Z rotation, and complex rotations. That concludes this introduction to the Turntable Animator. Download the free Turntable Animator Lite tool and create amazing turnaround animations even if you're using PowerPoint 2013 and 2016. Happy creating!